Yagmur yuksel, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.52 meter. Hazal, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.58 meter. Minna Demirtas, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.65 meter. Burcu Kadali, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.65 meter. Burcu Özberk, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.65 meter. Then Damla Yalmaz, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.64 meter. Sadef Shaheen, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.64 meter. Aybek Filiz Yazdi, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.63 meter. Ozgi Jagiz, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.63 meter. Atilla Topoglu, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.62 meter. H.G. Yuksel, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.63 meter. Beren Saad, born in Istanbul, Turkey, height 1.66 meter. Watch my video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.